Welcome to Vacuum Wars. Today I'm testing to see which carpet shampoo does the best with heavily stained carpets. These mid-level carpet cleaners have become really popular, and of course each manufacturer wants you to use their brand of shampoo in the machine, but we wanted to see if there was much of a difference in the cleaning power between the popular brands of shampoo. For the carpet cleaner itself, I used the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. For the stains, I used Georgia Red Clay, which I mixed with water and painted evenly on our medium pile carpet. I also used grape juice, which was painted on in the same basic way, as well as V8 juice. And finally, more for identification, I wrote the brand name of the carpet shampoo with a Sharpie. I left the stains to dry for 24 hours and took off the tape. This first test is all about the recommended amount for 1 gallon in normal conditions. So I did 2 back and forth passes with the solution spraying and 2 back and forth passes without the spray to suck up the water. In other words, 8 single passes, 4 with water and 4 without. And I would say that they all did admirably, but the winner for this round was the Rug Doctor Oxy, followed by the Bissell and maybe the Resolve in third, but it was close. But the problem here is that the Rug Doctor was also the only one that claimed that the minimum amount to use was 4 ounces, which was quite a bit more than the others said to use. So in order to find out how much the amount of shampoo played a role in its victory, I had a sudden death round with the 3 finalists. This time I increased the amount of shampoo to 5 ounces for all the contestants, which actually is the recommended amount for tough stains with the Bissell and Resolve. The Rug Doctor only had one recommended amount, which is 4 ounces, but I figured they were just kind of splitting the difference to make it easy for people to decide which amount to use. So with an equal 5 ounces to 1 gallon mix, all 3 did much better. But I would have to say that the Bissell Pro Advanced was the best carpet shampoo in this sudden death round, better than the other 2 finalists by just a little bit when all things were more or less equal. I have to say I've always suspected that Bissell shampoo was the reason I keep picking Bissell carpet cleaners as the best in their category. For example, my 4 favorite carpet cleaners in each price are all Bissells, though to be fair, stain cleaning ability is not the only thing I look for when reviewing carpet cleaners, but knowing what we found out today will help me be a lot more careful in the future to make sure everything is equal when testing carpet cleaners. And in case you're wondering, I have absolutely no affiliation with Bissell. These are just my honest opinions, and these tests are not intended to be super scientific or anything, just an honest attempt to find the best one.